I grew up in Southern California in Pasadena, which is in the LA area, and I lived there for most of my growing up years. It was until 2004 when I moved out here to Oklahoma. I was in a beautiful part of Pasadena, which had amazing architecture, and you kind of take it for granted when you grow up in it. When I came out here to Oklahoma, I went to college. I wanted to be a writer. I wanted to travel, be a shepherd, work in a rice field, all sorts of things that young people want to do when they're 21. After a few years, my brother actually contacted me. He was a home builder as well, and I kind of got into the home building industry through that professionally. I'd done it beforehand with my dad growing up. He built in California, but often what I was doing as a kid was moving huge piles of dirt, scraping tile off of floors that needed to be cleaned, redone. It was not ideal. It was more of a punishment. So I never really wanted to get into the building world. It seemed like, oh, that's what you do when you're being punished. When I did kind of step in later on, and I'd already learned a lot of the process. I'd built multiple homes just privately with my dad, actually, just the two of us working together in different stages of the home. And so when I was jumping in as a superintendent years later, it did take some more training, but I learned a lot, and I actually started enjoying it quite a bit. I thought, wow, maybe I don't want to be a writer, or maybe I can put that off. And I started overseeing these projects, and I worked for a couple of years doing that, and I loved it.